right? You're gonna go to create your account. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna go there, bop. You're gonna create your account. You're gonna go to create your account, and what you do is you're gonna put your email. You're gonna put your first name, your last name, your number, blah blah blah. You're gonna create a password, blah 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 blah. Right? So that's what you're gonna do there. I already been there, so this is where you're gonna end up at. You're gonna end up in the marketplace. The marketplace is where all the good stuff happens. You know what I'm saying? All the good stuff, all the magic. Anyway, okay, you're gonna go here, right? And you're gonna go to categories. Categories is health and fitness, sports, gaming, whatever you're into. Okay, just pick your niche. I think it is your niche. Sorry, kind of new on this, but still going, baby. Anyway, you're gonna go there. Let's say you go to health and fitness. Go on health and fitness and see what's going on in there. Boom, health and fitness, right? You're gonna go in your health and fitness, and you're gonna go up right here, and your gravity. Your gravity is how many times people are using this video or what they're doing with this video. Okay, so you're gonna go here. If the gravity is too high, if it's 500 and something, then a lot of people have been using this video, so you don't want to do this. Okay, well, you could do it, but that means you're gonna have a little bit of competition. So if you go to, let's see, the lowest one. Let's look. Blah, 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 blah. Man, that's a lot of you. 112. That's enough. Look, 92.67. You could go there. Back to life. That's maybe for your back. I don't know. Maybe it's for that. Maybe it's for something else. I don't know. But you're gonna go there, right? And what people usually do, or I do, I go to their affiliate page to check them out. You know, you go there, go to the affiliate page, and this is what you're gonna see. And sometimes you could, you know, copy and paste a lot of this stuff that they have here. You go on it, back live, and blah blah blah. You copy and paste, and you post, and then you keep it in your notes if you have notes on your thing, and you put it on your notes, and that's how you do it. Okay. So you go there, right, and then you copy and paste, right, and then usually what you do is after you do that, let's go back to it, 91. Okay. You go to promote, right? Boom. You go to your promote, and then usually it doesn't show this because they want you to go back over there and use your affiliate link or whatever, and then you're gonna put your affiliate link, right? You're gonna take that link, right, and you're gonna post it, let's say Instagram, Facebook, or you could make your own little, let's see, let's see, it's for your back, so you're gonna go and you're gonna go. You're gonna go to your affiliate, and then you're gonna grab. Sometimes they have certain things that you could copy and paste. This one doesn't have it, so let's see if we can find another one. Let me see if I can find another one. I probably could find another one. It's a little bit better, and you could get a little bit more what I'm talking about. Let me see. Grab it. Organic. Okay, so you're gonna go there. Boom. You're gonna go there. You see this one? This one is nice. You see? It got all types of juices. Sometimes you could grab these, copy and paste, and you could put it on your page. And you see, you could grab this and paste, copy the juice that started in all 11 other worlds, blah 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 blah. It's weight loss. You copy these things, and boom, you do it with it. You go here, right, and you put your affiliate nickname. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want you to see my nickname, you know. So you go there and you get the link. Then you go get the link, right? What I usually do, I don't know if you do this, but the link usually is pretty big. So what I usually do is I go here. I have this little bit.ly shortener, right? You take that link, right? This is a great little website, and it's free, people. It's free. You can use this, man. It's free. You go here, bam, right? You go there, right? And you copy and paste, and you make it small, okay? And copy and paste, right? You go here, right there, short your link, boom, and you make it shorter for it to look nice and pretty. You know, it doesn't look all big and humongous, and people's like, "What's that? That looks like a dinosaur." So, all right, so you don't want to do that. All right, so that's what you do. Okay, so that's what you do for ClickBank. Like I said before, thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. You know, the more people I get, the better it is, and the more I can show you. Next time I will show you how to do these things and take it and copy and paste and put it in Facebook or Instagram, you know, whatever you want to put them at. Okay? So have a nice day. See you in the next one.